Alright, so we're back right here. And basically what happened is this massive EF4 just spawned on top of us. Earlier. So let's get some probes in this boy and...
Let's do it.
Okay, we need to go a little bit farther up. Oh my goodness, my frames.
Emergency.
A tornado warning has been issued for the Wakota County area by the
Wakota.
National Weather Service.
I know, it's just barely close enough. Come on, probe. Please go faster. Oh my. Let's see if I can fix my freaking FPS problems, bro. Lock the freaking... Oh my god, is that thing an EF5 now? No. Go, bro.
Hell. Oh, there we go. Good.
No time for messing around, bro. No time for taking photos. That thing is way too close. Get me out of under my car.
Go, go, go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
I'm lagging. Let me in my car. Oh my god. Oh my god. I might be dead. This thing's pulling me. Oh my god, dude. The sirens are going even though it's not even close to the town. Look at that thing, bro. Oh my god. I'm getting probe data, baby. Let's go. I put 2 probes in that thing. Give me that money, baby. Oh my god, this thing's massive. How many EF4s have we seen today? 3 already? This is insane.
I did not expect this for my first time playing.
I've never seen this many EF4s in a row. I'm just saying.
I brought something to this world.
You sure did. Or maybe private lobbies are just buffed, because I've never done one before. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that, dude. That just looks insane. It's hitting the trees. Probe data coming in. I think it's an EF3 now, actually. No, that's still an EF4. Where are you? Oh, you're way over by that tree. What? Oh, I repeat, it is hitting trees. It is hitting trees. 195 for my probe. Dude, 220 from my probe. And we got another storm. What the frick? Where was it? Repeat, please.
200. Let's go.
Apparently there's another storm to our south, but I don't see anything. Oh my god. Double 200s. I'm lagging so bad it's not even funny. Dude, if this wind... Oh my god, I was about to say, if this wind shifts up to us, we are dead. It is shifting right now, but it's not deciding on... It's still going east. It's still going east.
It's coming towards us! It's
No,
coming
it's
towards us!
No, it's still going east.
It looks like it, dude.
It's still going east. We're good, though. Holy crap, bro. Look at the probe data, bro.
Oh, we got a tree moving. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, you might be right. What the frick? Thing sounds way too loud.
We gotta go.
No, it's fine. We're safe. Dude, this thing might be in EF5 soon.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna hit right on my probe. My probe's right in the middle of it. It's gonna be hitting it now.
I just phased through you. Hold on, I'm trying to intercept this thing. Right here is perfect. Right here looks absolutely pristine, baby. What? This place looks absolutely pristine. Dude, I can't even see this thing because it's rain wrapped. But the overall size of this thing is just massive.
200.
Dude, imagine this thing hitting your house, like in real life at 2 a.m. in the morning.
220. Holy cow, this thing is massive.
Like, can you imagine that?
I wish I don't. 12
Like,
visible
that's-
debris.
240 from your probe. Come on, probes. 270 from your probe.
I told you I got it perfectly.
Holy shit, we need to get the frick out of here, bro. This thing is moving fast.
It's going for the gas station.
It's the, unless, oh, it shifted. It's gonna miss the probes. Or it's gonna be close to missing the probes.
No, it's going down.
Yeah, I know. Dude, this is the 4th EF4, bro. Are you actually kidding me? What the frick is going on? Yeah, look, it's missing our probes. Bro, the probe you got in there is actually insane, though. I hear it, bro. Like, this thing is just,
I'm lagging.
yeah, I forgot to mention that. Massive tornadoes tend to lag the shit out of your computer, especially when they're hitting a town. Wakota just it's insane. I never had a big tornado hit Wakota before, like a 4 or a 5, but, I'm sure it's actually bonkers. Oh my god, I have too much money. Probably a bad idea. Oh my god.
I'm
Thing is
intersecting
massive.
it.
No, you're not, bro. You are dead if you intercept that. It's hailing. No, no, bro. You are dead.
Right here.
You are dead. You are dead.
Going
You
out.
are so dead. You are so cooked.
Get the probe, place it down. Come on. Come
You
on.
are cooked. He is so cooked, chat. He is so.
I got it! I got it! I placed it down!
Ow.
I placed it down and I'm going.
How are you living this?
I'm built different.
If this thing shifts south, though, you're kind of dead unless you off-road it. What? To the west? Is there another one in Byron? I don't see it. I don't see it. Dude, this thing... Can you have clear pictures on it? Because I don't. It's completely rain wrapped for me. Oh my god, it's so loud. Dude, do you have visual? Do you have good visual on it?
Not really.
Is it rain wrapped for you too?
Yeah.
Dude, the other one was so visual. This one's so rain wrapped. Oh my god, it's kicking up a dust storm. Oh, I see it. Oh, I have good visual.
It's going into my radar.
Your probe? You mean? Oh, EF3
probe.
now. It just downgraded. Oh, what?
Where?
A tornado
EAS?
warning has been issued for the Wakota County area by the
Look at
National
what my
Oh my
God,
gosh,
Weather
it's white.
Service.
It's white. It's white.
Oh my god! I'm going. I don't care. I'm ditching this EF4. Oh, wait, no, hold on. I need to take a picture of this, though. That's actually beautiful. I'm going to Wakota now. Yeah, it's dropping one right in Wakota! It's dropping one right in Wakota!
Out of my truck. So far, so
Chat,
good.
does he survive? How are you surviving? Oh, it's gonna hit the house! It's gonna hit the tiny house!
I gotta get it. I'm in the middle of the storm.
How are you living?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh. I'm getting picked up!
Oh, he's finally in there.
Ah!
He's finally in the air, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can hear that thing, bro. This thing is rain wrapped as frick, though. I can't see shit.
I landed it! I landed it!
Oh, fuck. I might be dead.
Hey! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Help! Help! Ah! I'm dead.
Rose
I'm so
the-
dead.
Bro's
I'm
the
alive?
Bro's the impractical storm chaser.
I live.
No, it's foggy.
I live.
Oh my frames. Oh my, it's an
EF3,
EF3. It's an EF3.
Yeah, I'm going in.
I'm dead. It's something in the car is stuck in mud. My car is stuck in the mud. I'm dead, bro.
I died.
No way I survive. No way. Oh my god. I survived. Dude, my car was stuck in the mud. Holy shit, this thing is loud. I can't see shit. This thing is rain wrapped as frick. EF3 still. Where'd you spawn?
We'll call it that thing.
Dude, that thing is so rain
Nope,
wrapped, I
just
can't
spawned
see it
in
at
the
all.
middle.
Oh, you spawned in the middle gas station?
Yeah.
Oh!
A tornado warning has been
Oh
issued
my
for the
God.
Corwin County area by
Corwin!
the National Weather
Corwin!
Service.
Corwin! Corwin! Go, 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 go! Go to Corwin! Another one! 2! 3! 3! 3! Oh my god!
I'm going.
I'm just beelining it to Corwin. Like I said, Corwin is the only one that not's been hit yet, but now it has. Or it will be. Funnel! Funnel!
I see it.
Oh yeah. This thing's gonna head right towards me. Be cautionary. It looks to be dropping an EF1 or 2. Looks to be dropping an EF1 or 2. Frick, I opened Ableton. That's gonna lag the shit out of my computer.
I thought 1 or 2. That's a 3.
That's a 3. Get a probe down. Go, go, go. Another one? I don't see it. Go! Go! Get the frick out of here, bro! Bro, you are dead.
Nah. I'm chilling.
Oh, I'm putting another probe down.
Never mind. It's coming for me. You know what?
Is he driving into it? No,
No.
don't. Oh my god, bro. That might be a 4 at this point. Oh my god. Go, 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 go.
Please send a probe. Please send a probe. Please send a probe. Please send a probe.
You're not gonna live this. It's moving fast, bro. It's moving fast. I don't know if you can live this.
I can make it. I made it.
How? It's a 4. It's another 4. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? It's another 4.
Bro, how is this possible?
Oh my god, bro. That thing is freaking loud. Okay, we need to go. We need to go. We need to go. We need to go. Go, 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 go. Escape. Oh my god, your probe's getting huge data.
Yeah.
Oh my probe, huge data. Oh my god, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Hold on, after we document this, I have a guy who's gonna join us from the Storm Chasers official Discord server.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna invite him to a DM and then we'll join that. Cool.
It's heading. I think it's heading. Oh.
What? No, 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 no. I tabbed out and it kept going and my car kept going.
It's heading straight towards us.
No, it's not.
It looks like it. Oh! Oh my god! Debris!
What? Oh my god, I just saw that thing go flying!
Sure, it's not coming
Holy
after us.
shit, that thing is massive! Oh my god!
That thing looks like it's coming towards us.
Let me check. No, we're good, we're good.
Alright, let's go back and get our probes.
No, I'm inviting my guy to a Discord, DM.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go get my probes.
I have to add him. Oh my god, that thing is massive! I wouldn't drive, that thing's gonna pull you.
Ow, you're right. Maybe.
Dude, I can't believe that's another EF4. A sixth EF4. Oh, lag. Hello, lag. Hello, lag.
I'm gonna see if I can intersect it.
Alright, I created a new DM. What's up, man?
Hello.
Name is Eclipse, password is Prism.
Gotcha.
We just, had our 6th EF4 of the day.
6.
Yeah, 6th EF4.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's been pretty active.
6th EF4. One of them spawned literally right on top of us with no warning, and we barely survived. The others were less as worrying.
Did we ever get an EF5?
No, we haven't gotten an EF5. If you spawn in Makota, do not go, because there's an EF4 currently barreling towards Makota right now, so,
Oh god. If I spawn there, I'm fucked.
no,
Where'd I
you will,
spawn?
if you spawn on the west side of Makota, you're cooked. If you spawn on the east, you're fine. Oh my god, this thing is massive.
I'm at
EF5!
Byron.
It's an EF5!
No way!
It's an EF5!
What?
First EF5!
Take a screenshot, like Steam screenshot.
EF5!
Our first EF5!
Yo, if that bitch
If-
disappears before I get there, I'm gonna be pissed. I haven't seen one yet.
Holy shit, it's massive! Oh my god! Our first EF5!
Oh, it's heading straight towards me. Oh my gosh, it's heading straight towards me. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'd be
Oh,
careful
no.
if I were you.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh! To
Oh,
the north!
one's coming
In
out
Makota! In Makota! It's
Oh
in
my
Makota.
god.
This server is insane, bro. What the hell?
It's
I
the
have a $10,000. Are you kidding me?
10,000, bro. You don't even need it.
I know I've done every single upgrade. I maxed out my photo storage.
Oh, hell yeah.
I have 980 photo storage. Holy shit,
God.
this thing's massive.
Oh, the storm's gone in Lakota.
Oh, you still have an EF5 here. And you
Dude, I
won't be able to-
see it. I see it.
Where are you?
I'm coming. I
You're
see
way
it, bro.
down there and you see it? That's insane.
I see it.
What the frick is this, bro? This is actually insane. I've been recording this entire time for my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I think this is the perfect spot for probes.
Oh, EAS.
A tornado warning has been issued for the Wakota County area by the National Weather Service.
Yeah, Wakota just got a tornado warning.
Well, yeah, no shit. It's heading, well, it's actually going away from it now, unfortunately. I would have liked to see an EF5 hit a Wakota, but...
It's heading straight towards me.
Well, yeah, you gotta get the shit out of there, bro. That thing is massive.
I placed
Where you guys
2
at?
probes down.
Well, we're at the EF5.
I'm gonna take a left here.
Still an EF5.
120 miles per hour wind.
Dude.
You're not even in a tornado either, bro. Can't be
know.
talking.
140. Oh yeah, I gotta turn around.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, you gotta go towards Wakota because it's going the other way. So if you go the other way, you're done for. It's not gonna be the same POV, bro. It's not the same POV. Are you almost here?
I'm trying.
Oh my god, there's no way you actually survive. Dude, no shot. If this thing turns west, my probe I placed way long ago for the old storm is in a perfect position for it.
I'm going down the path of it, dude. I'm right behind it.
Tornado to the north. Where is this thing?
It's
Follow
totally
that. Oh, I'm right.
Twins.
Twins. You have twins.
No way.
Well, it's not
I'm right behind
EF5
y'all.
yet, but you see this EF5?
Yes.
Hey, wait a minute.
It's
Yeah.
an EF4 now. It's an EF4. It's downgrading. Oh,
I
twins
need a
is gone.
picture. I need to get some
Oh.
pictures so I can get some money.
Here, no. I'll just give you money, bro. I have $10,000.
Bro.
Here. Just take all my money. I don't need it. Here.
Oh, it's hitting my probes. It's hitting my probes.
There you go. That should be enough.
Yeah, it's $6,000, bro.
This is just bonkers.
After I upload the pictures, yep, I have 10,000.
I still have $6,000. That's crazy. I need this thing to shift west, bro. If it shifts west, it's in perfect spot for my probe.
Dude, my probes are getting crazy reads.
Almost maxed everything out.
You have 999 photo storage?
Nope. Not yet. Ran out of money. Oh shit.
Oh my god, that's close.
Oh my god. Yo guys, I have to stand on top of my truck to get a good picture.
You know what?
It's in EF3 now.
Let's drive into it.
Hold on. Let me
You
sell
know
my
what?
stuff.
Let's freaking drive into it. I haven't done that yet.
I haven't
Here
been
we
flown
go.
yet, so
Ah! Whoa!
What the freaking?
I'm
oh,
still
you
going
hit the
strong.
Tree. You hit the tree. Don't hit
Hey,
the
wait,
tree.
pick me up!
No.
me up.
I'm inside of it. I'm inside of it.
Okay, come.
My truck got flipped over from picnic.
Come on.
It's not doing anything. You're good. You're good. Come into it. It's cool.
Alright.
You're good.
Oh, you're just
Oh, it
chilling.
broke my truck up. Oh no, it's picking me up. Goodbye, guys.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, wait.
Look, do you see me, bro?
Oh my god, I just said I got yeeted.
Let me get out.
Yep. Bye bye.
Let me get
Wind
pictures.
speed
I'm not surviving
one,
this.
Wind speed 165.
It threw me. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out.
Oh my god.
I survived.
How do we survive this?
Wait.
Come on, give me back in the tornado. Oh! We're airborne! We landed it! Get back in there. Get the frick back in there. on, baby.
Trying to roleplay
wait.
Superman here. Pick me up.
It's not picking anyone up, bro.
Wait, stand still for a bit.
I'm gonna get out. Run into it.
I'm not touching my keyboard.
I'm walking into it. Oh no, it picked me up.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, she's gone!
I'm gonna try to get out of this.
Oh my... Wait, stop the car. I'm gonna try and go... Oh, yeah.
He's dead. I don't want to die though. I have 2579 score. Oh, it's gone. It just dissipated. Get out.
Shit, and my car is gone.
And with that, guys, that's going to conclude today's episode of Storm Chasers. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go drop my boy Clips at sub on YouTube. And we'll see you guys next time.